Welcome to Chateau Elan, located here in Braselton, and this is North Georgia's most prestigious community. It's where others come to vacation, but a lot of people choose to live here year-round. Hi, I'm Sarah Maslowski with KeyPoint Homes Group, a local real estate agent right here in the Northeast Metro Atlanta area, and my team and I help people from all over relocate right here to Georgia. Today we're going to go into Chateau Elan and give you all the ins and outs of what it's like living here, and make sure you stick around to the end where I'm going to give you an exclusive tour of my newest listing, a custom built home that's just over $2 million. It has all the bells and whistles, and I cannot wait to show it to you. If golf is your thing, Chateau Elan offers so many great options. You have two full 18-hole courses here that are open to the public, including an executive par 3 9-hole course. You also have an exclusive 18-hole course that is only for private members of the club. Now, if golf is not your thing, there's plenty of other amenities to take advantage of here as well. You've got a junior Olympic swimming pool, a fantastic clubhouse with a sports fitness facility. You've got tons of great restaurant options to take advantage of here on site as well, including the winery and my favorite, the spa, which is open to both public and members here of Chateau Elan. Now, a great perk for people that actually live here in the community is that oftentimes you receive exclusive discounts and perks that are only available to residents here within Chateau Elan that the public cannot take advantage of. The location of this neighborhood cannot be beat. You are just a stone's throw away from Interstate 85, which is going to take you all the way straight down into Atlanta. So if you are needing to commute, it makes it so easy because literally it's 2 turns out of the neighborhood and you can be on 85. This is also just minutes away from Buford, Mall of Georgia area, Costco. Everything that you could want there is going to be right at your fingertips. Braselton is going through a ton of growth and development, and so you're going to see a brand new Publix just outside the entrance here to the neighborhood, a Lowe's that they've recently opened, in addition to tons of healthcare and other retail and restaurant options for you just here in and around the neighborhood, which makes it so easy. Now, when it comes to schools here in the neighborhood, you have quite a few options depending upon where you live in the neighborhood. So what's unique about where this sits here in Braselton is that you could be in 3 different counties within the same neighborhood. So you really have to pay attention to the street that you live on if you are wanting to be in a public school zone that you are specifically seeking out. Homes here are distributed for either the Mill Creek High School, which is in Gwinnett County, or North Gwinnett High School, which is also in Gwinnett County. And then you also have Winder Barrow High School as well. Mill Creek and North Gwinnett High School have a 9 rating on greatschools.org, while Winder Barrow has a 3. Pretty common for people in this community to put their kids in private school. A lot of them also choose public school option as well. Now, we have to talk about one of the downsides of the location of this neighborhood, and that is all of the growth and development that's happening along here causes a lot of traffic here, especially right in front of Chateau Elan on Highway 211. This road is actually going through a huge road widening project, so it's going to be very messy for the next couple of years. However, the payoff is going to be worth it because right now, with all the growth and development happening here, traffic is a nightmare. So what kind of homes can you expect here in Chateau Elan? Well, just about anything and everything. From huge sprawling mansions over 10,000 square feet in the exclusive private legend section of Chateau, to some more modest homes that start around 3,000 square feet. There's just about something for everybody here. One of the great things is that there are a lot of unique architectural styles here in this neighborhood, from modern new construction homes to renovated traditional Georgian style brick houses. There's a little bit of everything here for everybody. Home prices in the neighborhood are going to start around $700,000 on up to the multi-million-dollar homes. So there's something in here for everyone that you can take advantage of. Now, I want to give you an exclusive sneak peek of the most amazing custom-built house that you need to see. Let's go check that out. It's not every day that you come across a custom-built home that is as perfect as this one. I'm so excited to show you this custom-built home right here in Chateau, giving you an exclusive off-market peek of this fantastic home. Let's go check it out. There are so many cool features to love about this home. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to show you everything, but come with me to the kitchen because this definitely is spectacular. Now, I really love that this is practically a new construction home, but it doesn't feel new construction. It's very warm and cozy in here. You've got top of the line Miele appliances here. You've got a chef's kitchen, not only here, but if you are a baker, wait till you see what waits you downstairs. You got a commercial grade hood right here, pot filler, top of the line appliances with a steam oven. That is truly cool and special. Every single thing here in the house is customized truly as much as you can customize a home. Now, this is a really cool feature of this house. It just looks like this is ordinary cabinets, you know, maybe a little bit of a pantry storage, but this is actually a scullery or a walk-in pantry that is beyond any pantry that I've ever seen. You've got custom shelving in here, a wet bar, you've got 2 additional refrigerator drawers. This is truly a dream, and the next owner of this house is gonna be so lucky. So in addition to the fabulous kitchen with, can we get a bigger refrigerator? I don't think so. This is so great and amazing. You've got a Miele coffee bar area over here. And this is such a fantastic layout of this home because not only do you have a guest bedroom on the main level, but you also have your entire primary suite on the main level. Y'all, the primary closet is to die for. And just before you thought that this house can't get any better already, it actually has its own elevator. So you don't have to worry about your aging years or worried about parents not being able to access all levels of the house. So let's go check out the basement. I'm gonna meet you there. Could you imagine how easy it would be getting your Christmas tree upstairs if you had an elevator like this in your house? So I mentioned that this basement was a dream, and let me come show you the super cool feature. You got tons of additional entertaining space, but the true star of the show is this kitchen. And this isn't any kitchen that you're gonna find in a basement. This is made for a baker. So you got tons of great countertop space. You've got this double ovens right here to bake to your heart's desire. But in addition to this space, you've also got this great little secondary baking closet here where you've got additional proofing ovens and tons of great countertop space for all of your baking supplies. This is truly so cool and so unique. If you're someone that finds yourself wanting to work out and not go to the actual fitness facility that you can find here in the community, you've got your very own gym space that you can take advantage of. And after the gym, it would be great to, you know, relax a little bit and sweat out the toxins here in your very own sauna. Not only do you have this amazing space down here in the basement, but there's so much more upstairs on the second level. Let's go check it out. Now, if the basement wasn't enough entertaining space, you've also got an additional entertaining space up here on the second level. And this is this great media room that you're gonna find in here. Now, if the coffee bar wasn't enough for you or you want something a little bit stronger, you've also got a great little entertainer space right here to stock up with your beverage of choice. In addition to this fantastic space, you've also got 3 additional bedrooms up here to host guests or your loved ones. Now, the true star of the show when it comes to this house is the amazing indoor-outdoor living space that you can find in this house. You've got these amazing sliding accordion doors that completely open up to give you the best living space possible. So in the Georgia spring and fall, this is going to be an amazing place for you to enjoy and seamlessly entertain both inside and outside. We've got the doors on the opposite side also open up as well. So as you can see, there's this amazing outdoor entertainment space. Not only do you have an outdoor fireplace, complete with a TV, you also have this amazing entertainer's pool. You've got a great sun ledge, hot tub, and one cool thing about this house that the seller did not miss a detail on is that they personally brought in over 60 trees and planted those additional trees to give you a little bit of privacy here so that you don't have any neighbors looking into your backyard. And of course, you've got the fairway, which is just across the fence line there as well. If you love being outdoors and cooking, this outdoor kitchen setup has everything that you could ever want. You can smoke something. You can use a regular gas grill. You've got a pizza oven. You've got an outdoor refrigerator. Heck, there is even a kegerator here to make sure that your favorite drink is always on tap. Could you imagine how exciting game days and inviting friends over for a cookout would be with this great outdoor space? Please invite me over whenever you buy this house. With world-class amenities and such an amazing setting in a great location, who could ask for more? You've got so many great homes to choose from here in Chateau Elan. I'm curious to know your thoughts. Let me know if this is a neighborhood that you could see yourself living in. Of course, if you're thinking about making a move here to the Northeast Metro Atlanta area, I would love to be your real estate agent. You can find my contact information directly below this video. For more information on what it's like living in Braselton, make sure you check out this video next.